Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe. Thank you. Anyways, guess what season it is? The weather's cold. Did I just turn off my camera? No. The weather's cold. So what does that mean? That means it's boost season, baby. Let's go. My turbo's gonna be like, wait, I don't have a turbo. Never mind, it's not boost season for me, but it is cold, so that means it's boost season for people that are boosted, and that's what my cousin told me earlier. So that's what we are gonna do today. We're gonna go race. I'm gonna race his STI, the one that he traded his notorious Evo for, which is a stupid decision that I told him he should have never done, but kids will be kids, they don't learn. Anyways, I'm expecting 2 cars on him, maybe more. I don't know, depends on how fast we go or when we stop. But he doesn't know that I'm expecting 2 cars on him. And even if I don't get the 2 cars, I should beat him. I don't know why. I just feel like his STI is not that fast. His Evo was quick though, but he traded it, so it's all good. So let's get this started. My miles are pretty low, meaning my range, and my gas is almost empty. I'm gonna go put like another gallon so that way I could be safe, so that way the car doesn't die in the middle of nowhere. And I'm not gonna fill it up because we all know why. Weight reduction, baby. Let's wait. Quicker pulls. Let's get this started. Peace. Subscribe if you haven't, like I said. Thank you. All right, check it. Just pulled up to the cousin's house. We're about to take off right now. One thing I want to tell you guys is that I did install a new Duckbill. Like I said, check out the video. I'll put the link down below. And this is very important because this gives me more aero, which is more downforce, meaning my tire shouldn't be skidding like it did last time. When I raced this Evo, I kept skidding, and I didn't like that because I think I lost about half a second right there every time I skidded. And during that little skid, my cousin catches up. First gear pull, I get him about a fender, and then he starts creeping up on me. All right, we're on the way to get some gas, and then we're gonna start racing after that. Hopefully we get some good pulls. Hopefully nothing happens. I don't want to bang up my gears for no reason. All right, let's get this. Cousin's in front of me. Let's go. Stay tuned for the race. Let me know what you think. All right, later. Check it. I only did $5 because I need weight reduction. Tell me, can you get 2 gallons with just $5? Yeah, I thought you can't.
That shit's cheating, bro.
He's mad because my car is at lightest weight possible without dying in the middle of the street. He's low too, but we'll see what happens. All right, we're about to get these poles right now. We're about to get these poles. Late us. All right, we're about to hit these turns. Let's see if that all-wheel drive Subi behind me can keep up. Oh shit. That was not good. Definitely too heavy. My car's too heavy for these shit. I do need an all-wheel drive. I'm slowing down already. That scared me. I definitely thought I was gonna skid a little bit, tailspin and whip around. Maybe if I what's that thing called, clutch kick it, I might have drifted, but I'm not good at drifting. I don't even know how to drift. All right, that's it. That's enough. All right, we're about to get this first pull right now, but I just realized that my cousin insulted me without insulting me. He told me he's gonna be on the right lane because I might be faster, so that way in case I do beat him, I could merge over to the right. But that made me realize that this whole time back then when I used to race him, before I got the tune and all that shit, he was always on my left with his Evo. So what does that mean? That means he knows he's gonna smoke my ass, and that way he can merge over real quick. Fuck, can't believe I just caught that right now, man. I'm pissed. All right, let's see what happens. All right, we're gonna do second at 40, see what happens. Okay, damn, his shit is quick. I think I got him by a car, but this was second gear. My best gear is first. Damn, his shit pulls pretty nice. And also he didn't have traction control off because he couldn't find it. But my traction control is off. I needed all the advantages I can. Let's try this. Maybe first might be better because I do like my first gear a lot better. Yeah, let's see what happens. That was a pretty nice pull. Your shit is fast, dude. I just told you. We're gonna park real quick, take a couple pictures, flex on the gram.
Hey, it's pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, I should have pulled, dude. I was like, oh fuck. I thought you were gonna get me. I got kind of scared.
That fast, though.
It's good.
But I don't know what the traction controls it.
I
don't think it has it. Think so?
I don't
every
know,
car should have it on.
I think every car should. Check your shift knob and all that. Hey, if we can't find the traction control, then somebody drop a comment below and let us know. Maybe it's in your cop tuner. I don't know.
It's far under my titties. Look.
Oh shit. Got this kid. Huh. Maybe we might have to Google this real quick. Yo, quick little update. I think it's about to drizzle. It's kind of gloomy. I like this gloomy weather, but not good for cars. Tire spin, of course, especially when you have a rear wheel drive car. So we're gonna do this quick and just dip out because I don't want disadvantages. That shit's fast, yo. Too bad I can't get another view where he's ahead of me, but it's all good. I finally win. Yes, let's go. My G is finally fast. Let's go. Okay, this first one's gonna be first at 20. Let's get this. I am speed. I am speed. Ah, shit! No! Ah! I missed that gear. Fuck, that was embarrassing, but I still got him though. Shit, fuck this gear, dude. Fuck! Damn, I can't get this third. Fuck it, I'm slowing down. Stupid ass shifter. I did install a short throw shifter. Maybe that's the reason. Let me figure this fucking shit out. Damn, I'm pissed. It's drizzling now. We need to hurry up. Second at 40, I should not miss this gear. What the fuck? Alright, it's drizzling. Damn, second at 40 is not my number. Huh. That STI is quick. I think he turned up his boost. I'm just kidding. I don't know, but second at 40 has never been my thing. Even back then when I raced his Evo, it didn't work out too well. But that's just excuses. There's a car coming. We need to leave. Another excuse I have is that it's harder to drive when you're recording, okay? And the way I'm recording, it's kind of funny. I'm not gonna tell you guys, but it's just funny. We're about to get this real quick. We just need to make a big ass U-turn. All right, that is it for now. No more racing for the rest of the day. It's drizzling a little bit, so I don't feel safe. Whatever, who cares? I'm gonna slide it around though when it drizzles. Anyways, they're gonna switch cars, test drive it real quick, and then we're gonna end it here. Next time I'm gonna record without first person view. Maybe it will be better, because like I said, it's kind of hard to record and drive at the same time. Shit sounds nice. All right, if you made it this far, then thank you. Subscribe if you like what you see. If you don't, it's all right. Tell me what you want to see and then we'll try to do it. Nothing stupid, of course. So yeah, I need to get that Type R though. I can't really tell if that Type R is super fast compared to my cousin's Evo, because when I raced his Evo, we were pretty close. That's also because I had my stock shifter. I'm really blaming my shifter. If this thing doesn't work out pretty soon, like in a month, then I'm gonna go back to stock. But anyways, thank you. See you guys later. See y'all later. Peace.